It's creamy, it's silky and perfect for any treat. You'll want to make this white chocolate buttercream frosting for all of your favorite cakes, cupcakes and macarons. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and start your own successful business. Today we are going to make a very special white chocolate buttercream that requires only 5 to 6 ingredients that are butter, white chocolate, icing sugar, salt, milk, and some vanilla paste. So let's start the recipe by chopping some white chocolate into small even pieces so that the chocolate melts quickly and evenly. Now you might be wondering if you can use compound chocolate, which you definitely can, but if you use white couverture, your buttercream will taste a lot better. For this recipe, we'll melt our chocolate in a microwave. A small tip for melting white chocolate is to heat it in a short burst of time and stir very well in between, as white chocolate can burn easily and overheating it can make it grainy. We'll keep this aside, and in a different bowl, we'll mix milk and icing sugar together. Doing this one step will make our buttercream silky and not at all grainy. Next, we'll beat unsalted butter until it's light and fluffy. If it is too cold, then it may harden the chocolate. In this, we'll gradually add milk and icing sugar mixture while beating the butter simultaneously. Now we'll add vanilla bean paste. In case you do not have this, then you can simply use a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Next, we'll add some salt in it and give it a mix. Lastly, we'll add melted white chocolate and give our buttercream its final mix. Here you go. Our white chocolate buttercream is ready to use. Hope you guys like this recipe, and do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon every time we post a new recipe.